A lofted bend allows you to create a loft that can be unfolded into a flat pattern. To accomplish this, you must first have 2 sketches created. If you've used the loft feature before, you know you can use more than 2 sketches to create a loft. However, when creating a lofted bend, you're limited to using only 2 sketches. An additional requirement is that these sketches each contain only a single open profile without sharp corners. Here, I have a part with 2 sketches. Now, as you can see, I have a gap in each profile, and I've broken all the sharp corners. Now, I'll add the Lofted Bend feature. It's located on the Insert menu in the Sheet Metal section. To define the Lofted Bend, I'll select the profiles and specify a thickness. I'll click OK, and now the part can be flattened. This resulting part is similar to the cone and cylinder-shaped parts, in that I'm limited to what I can do at this point. I can add cuts, fold and unfold the part, but I cannot add most sheet metal features, such as edge flanges. When a lofted bend is manufactured, the deformation of the sheet metal used can be quite drastic. You'll want to keep this in mind so you don't end up with a model of a part that cannot or should not be manufactured. To help you make this decision, SolidWorks has added an analysis tool called Bend Deviation. This tool is used when examining the flat pattern of a lofted bend. So in order to use it, first click the flatten icon to see the flat pattern. Now, expand the flat pattern feature and right-click on the feature called Flatten. Now you can select Bend Deviation from the pop-up menu. In the Property Manager, Bend Deviation will report the changes in the surface area of the folded and flat model. You'll also see deviation parameters on each of the flat pattern edges in the Graphics area. If you only wish to see the maximum deviation, click the checkbox in the Property Manager.